Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Manisha. So first of all, thank you so much for landing up here. If you're new here, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Moving on, today in this video, I'll be showing you how I did this look. This is elegant makeup look which you can wear as a guest in parties or functions. Yeah, so you can also say this is a guest makeup look. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video and see how I did this. Ta-da! So guys, I have already washed my face. Now I'm starting with moisturizer. I'm using Mamaearth's oil-free moisturizer. After applying moisturizer on my face, I'm starting with my eyebrows. So here I have iMagic palette and I'll be using these three shadows to fill my eyebrow. So outline your eyebrows completely as I'm showing in the video. To give the eyebrow a sharpness, I am just extending a little bit at the outer end. Now start filling the gaps in the eyebrow wherever you see with the eyeshadow, and at the start please fill in a vertical manner, not in the horizontal way as I'm showing in the video. So guys, I'm done with one of the eyebrows. Now I'll start filling the second eyebrow. I'll just fast forward it, not to repeatedly do the same thing. So now I am done with my eyebrows, so I'll start with primer. Here I am using NY base primer and applying it with my fingers on the T-zone and the pore area. Apply this fully onto your face. Now I am done with my primer, so next step is to conceal my dark spots. So here I am using a concealer to cover all the dark spots which you can see in the video on my face with the concealer. So I have applied concealer all over the dark spots. Now it's time to blend. I am using Damp Beauty Blender to blend the concealer well. Please use a dabbing motion to blend the concealer as I am showing in the video. Don't drag Beauty Blender onto your face. So I am done with my concealer. Now the next step is foundation. So using a flat brush, I am applying this foundation onto my cheeks. This I am going to work in parts. I am not going to apply this onto my face fully. I'll just apply to a section of my face and then I'll just blend it. Working in parts will make sure that there are no dry patches of the foundation onto the face. So the next step is to highlight. So using a concealer, I'll just apply the concealer on the points where I need to highlight. So again, with a Damn Beauty blender, I am going to blend in a dabbing motion only. Once I am done with the blending, I'll just set it with a powder. Here I am using Fit Me Maybelline's compact powder. You have to just set the full face with this powder. Don't forget your neck. Using a brush, I'll just set my neck area. You can use the beauty blender also. After setting my face, I'll just contour my face. I'm using LA Colors contour powder. Using a big fluffy brush, I'll just contour my cheeks and also blend the powder which I applied onto my nose. Now using concealer, I'll just highlight the eyebrows just to give a definition and also give a base to my eyeshadow. Using a blending brush, I'll just blend the concealer which I applied. Also onto the eyelids, I'll apply the same concealer and set it with the powder. Now I'll take the color which I showed and will place it in the crease area and the outer corner of my eyes and will blend this very well. So guys, I just don't want to load my eyelids with full of the pigments of the eyeshadow. So as soon as I pick the color from the palette, I just dust the excess off. So guys, pay attention to the brush. See how far I am holding this and how I am blending this. Once I am done with the outer corner and the crease, I'll just pick this metallic shade from this palette. It's a peachy shade which goes well with my costume. So I'll just apply this in the center of my lids and on the whole lids. So using the same initial shadows which I used on the outer corner and the crease area, I'll just blend in the waterline. So guys, I'm done with the eyeshadow part. Now I'm applying eyeliner. I'm using Maybelline's liquid eyeliner. Once I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm applying mascara. Now comes the lips part. So before applying lipstick, I am just outlining my lips using a lip liner. The shade of the lip liner is pretty much same as the lipstick which I am going to use. So guys, I'm done with lipstick now. The next part is to apply highlight on the high points of your face. I'm applying Maybelline's highlighter onto my cheeks, my nose bridge, chin, and the high points of my forehead and the collarbone. The final step of this makeup look will be to set it with a setting spray. Here I am using NYX setting spray. So I'll just accessorize this look with some jewelries. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you like the look. Do try this and let me know in the comment section. Do share and like and subscribe.